हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रविदित लिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 एडवांस इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first word, approval. It means swikrati. The second word is bari. It means dafnana. The third word is revival. It means punarjivit. The fourth word is refuse. It means aswikar karna. The fifth word is rehearsal. It means purvabhyas. The sixth word is dismiss. It means barkhast karna. The seventh word is adopt. It means god lena. The eighth word is collect. It means इकट्ठा करना. The ninth word is connection. It means संबंध. The 10th word is correct. It means सही करना. The 11th word is corruption. It means भ्रष्टाचार. The 12th word is inject. It means भीतर डालना. The 13th word is interrupt. It means रुकावट डालना. The 14th word is prediction. It means भविष्यवाणी. The 15th word is reject. It means अस्वीकार करना. The 16th word is subtract. It means घटाना. The 17th word is vibration. It means कंपन. The 18th word is devastate. It means उजाड़ना. The 19th word is decoration. It means सजावट. The 20th word is calculate. It means गणना करना. The 21st word is circulation. It means प्रसार. The 22nd word is complete. It means पूर्ण करना. The 23rd word is concentration. It means एकाग्रता. The 24th word is confiscate. It means जब्त करना. The 25th and last word is education. It means शिक्षा. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share for more videos.